Well, this isn't a video that I was particularly looking forward to make, but I think you guys know what this means. I mean, I'm sure you guys can already tell by the title and thumbnail. I am not looking forward to this. You know, it's no secret that I'm losing my hair. It's no secret that I'm losing my hair. I'm shedding all over the place, all over the house. I've been losing my hair since about 2015, so I guess you can blame the college program for my hair loss and my past relationship for that. But it is about time for me to say goodbye to what little hair I have left, and I think we're gonna go bald today. I think we're gonna go bald today, and yeah, quote unquote bald. Not skinhead bald. I'm not gonna be, you know, shine bright like a diamond bald, but Coda is gonna be chopping all my hair off today, and not particularly looking forward to it. Coda, how do you feel about this? You can come in the frame. How do you feel about this?
Yay.
Yay? Okay, so let's, oh my. Jesus. Without further ado, Coda is just gonna have at my head and we are gonna go just balls deep. Ow! You gotta turn it on!
I know, I was just trying to make it stand up.
Jesus! That actually hurt.
I was just trying to make it stand up.
Ow! Okay, Jesus.
I was trying to get over the
Ow.
walls.
Turn it on, it helps.
Why did it stand up?
Oh, jeez. I just got out of the shower too, so I don't know if that was, oh god, if that was the best idea. Because my hair is still a little, oh dear god.
You have a weird bald spot, like just random right here, underneath all of the hair.
Yeah, that's another reason why.
Tiny little bald spot.
That's another reason why I'm going for this. Yeah, because I am balding, my hair is thinning on the top of my head, so I look like one of the Three Stooges. Rather not go down that path. I'm hoping that I can pull off the halfway bald. Yeah, we're gonna find out. And, I mean, I'm not working at one of my jobs anymore that require me to be in the public eye for the next month or so. So we'll see. We'll see. I mean, it's just gonna be me and Coda, and you know, me going to the theme parks. So, oh god, here we go. Oh dear Jesus.
You know the mayor.
I was just about to say the mayor from Whoville. Oh my god.
There you go. There you go.
Oh dear Jesus. I'm
done.
I know, right? Shit. Oh god. What have I done? It's no going back now.
Are you gonna cry?
I'm not gonna cry.
Like one of those girls that
Oh my god! I told them 1 inch and they took out 2. Oh my god.
Look down. Like.
Yeah, give everyone a nice view of what you have done to my head.
I'm trying to even it out, okay?
Ugh.
There's a razor phone, like it's having some fun back here.
It is, I'm sure. Make sure you tap it out a little bit. This is not okay. Continue, please.
What do you mean tap it out?
Oh my god, my poor head.
You're gonna burn.
Oh my god, that is why I bought a hat. I finally found a hat that fits my big ass head. I hope you guys are enjoying this. This isn't a video that I particularly wanted to make, but I said, you know what, YOLO. You guys are going on this journey with me. Oh my god, I look like an old man. Now, why would you just shave half of this and leave the other half there? Why would you do that?
Because I can.
That's not cool, man.
I'm sorry, do you not like the way you look?
I don't know what I was thinking. I should have just left all the hair where it was. It's getting in my pocket. Oh no. Like and subscribe. Oh my god.
How far am I going?
What do you mean, how far are you going? I told you to avoid that area. Yeah, like right there. Because I need to be the one to fade out my sideburns and make them look good. Because Lord knows I don't trust you with that one. Can you please shave this part of my head, please?
You're bald to here, so you have this.
Oh my god. I have like a little patch of hair right here. Thank you. Just even that out, please. I told you you would enjoy this.
Now you just need to shave your face.
That is not happening.
Yes, it is.
I am not going baby face.
I'll do it for you.
If you guys have been on this channel for a while, you'll remember the last time I went baby face. That was back in what? 2017, early 18. Yeah, as long as everything's what the hell is this? What is that? I'm gonna fire you. You set me up for failure. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You have a comb?
What's a comb gonna do?
I don't know.
What the hell is a comb gonna do? Oh dear.
Rough your head around.
Huh?
Rough your head around. Like...
Oh my goodness. Can you glue it back on? I changed my mind.
I have some eyelash glue somewhere.
No. We've already done that makeup tutorial. Ugh. If you guys want to see when Coda did my makeup when we hit 500 subscribers, I'll leave a link over here in the corner so you guys can see that.
Do you understand that reference?
Yeah, it's another makeover that Coda's giving me. And one that I was not very much so looking forward to. I'll make sure to even some of this out and to make sure that this fades in. But oh lord. God, my head is huge.
Yeah. You ever seen the show Caillou?
My girl just called me Caillou. So let me ask you, what do you think? Do you still love me?
Yeah.
Yeah? Here, unfinished business? No, 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 no. Not going for the face. That is not happening.
Go big or go home, man.
That is not happening.
Big or go home.
No.
Go big or go home.
I'm going home. I'm going home. This is not going away.
Man bun.
Yeah, the only time I'll ever be able to pull off a man bun. I look like I'm Japanese or Chinese. I look Oriental. A chip. Oh god. Oh god. I'll see you guys in a few minutes when I even this out. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Well, this is a change. Oh my god, I can't believe this. But you can even tell, like you can even tell where I was starting to go. Like my hair was receding already. It used to be down like here. And it started receding. It's really thin. You can tell like over here it's thicker. Like none of this other stuff was done at a lower setting up here than what was here. It was all the same over here. But quite honestly, and I even faded it in for my facial hair over here. Looking at it, I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I think it's something that I can definitely get used to. And my hair always looked like hot garbage anyways, and I always hated how my hair looked, and especially looking like an older man. I honestly think that this makes me look younger, to be honest with you. Looking like an older man with my hair like kind of pulled to the side as much as I could. And I even went online and found a hat that you know fits my large head, and I think it looks good. I think it looks good. Even with the hat, you can't even really tell, but I definitely like it, and I'm definitely gonna have to try and find a hat with the old Theme Park Express logo or something on it to match the channel. But This is quite a change, and if I turn it to the back, it looks like I'm wearing a do-rag. I look straight up Mexican. Oh boy. Oh boy, I'm Latino. I'm allowed to say that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I know this is quite a change, but I like it. I honestly do. I honestly do. I hope you guys like it too. Yeah, we are going to be going to Universal Studios tomorrow, so this will be the first field test of this craziness right here. I'm honestly, like, it's a bittersweet moment, you know? It's a bittersweet moment. My hair's been going for quite a while, and I've been in denial about it. I've tried different treatments and things like that, and nothing was working. So I just said, screw it, just to hell with it, and let Coda have some fun. So anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, leave a like down below. If you feel my suffering, any other people, any other guys out there who have been losing their hair, who feel my pain, please leave a like down below. Subscribe if you're new around here. The theme parks are opening back up and we're heading back out. I'm super excited to be heading out to Universal Studios tomorrow. If you guys see us there, please don't hesitate to say hi. If you see me anywhere in the theme parks, please don't hesitate to say hi. We are always willing to chat with some subscribers out in the theme parks if you do see us. Subscribe if you're new around here. I don't know if I said that already. Anyways, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the new haircuts. If you guys have any similar experiences, let me know yours down in the comments section below. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening, and I'll see you guys in the next video.